So the member is subjected to a force of F was to 6 kilonewton. Ito siya, F 6 kilonewton. And the angle, if the angle is 45 degrees, so let's put that. Ito. If the angle is 45 degrees, ito. And determine the moment produced by F, this point F, this force F, about point A. So mula naman sa point A, let's try to determine the moment. Okay? So, dito, once again, yung F natin, yung force F natin is nakapadiagonal siya. So, which means, meron tong horizontal forces at meron din itong vertical forces. So, since yung horizontal is magiging 6 cosine 45, tapos yung vertical natin is magiging 6, ito ko lang ilagay, 6 sine 6 sine 45. Okay? So, next step, apply lang natin yung concept ng moment dito, which is the moment is equals to force times the perpendicular distance, assuming that all forces acting counterclockwise is positive and counterclockwise naman if negative. Okay, since 6 sine 45, ito una yung iwan natin, hanapan ng perpendicular forces. So, which means, saan yung line action ng 6.45? Dito. Yan, papunta dyan. So, which means, from A, ito yung moment arm natin. Okay? Gets? Kasi si 6 sine 45, papunta siya downward. Okay? So, magkaka-perpendicular forces dyan. Okay? Magkano ito? So, 1.5 is sure the radius ng semicircle mo. So, since 1.5 yan, magiging 3 meters yan. Okay? Diameter na. Tapos, 6 cos 45 is ito yung line of action niya mula sa point A. Diba? Ito yung line of action ni 6 cosine 45. Gets? Ito. So, from point A, makagagawa tayo dito, mula dyan, sa point A, ng perpendicular forces natin, which is equivalent to 6 meters. So, makukuha na natin ang moment ng F, ng force F, about point A. So, summation of forces or moment about point A equals to 0. Lahat ng papuntang clockwise is positive at lahat ng papuntang counterclockwise is negative. So, moment at A equals to, unahin natin yung vertical. So, si vertical forces, saan siya papunta? Clockwise ba or counterclockwise? Clockwise, okay? So, 6 sine 45 degrees times 3 meters. Okay? Tapos, si 6 cos 45 din is umaak din siya clockwise. Diba? Kasi magiging positive siya. So, 6 cosine 45 degrees. At magkano yung, ilan yung perpendicular distance siya? 6 meters. Yan. And about yan, makukuha na natin yung moment about point A. So, ito. Calculator lang natin. 6 sine 45 times 3. Yan. Plus 6 cosine 45 times 6. So, check. 6 sine 45, 3. Tapos 6 cos 45, 6. So, equals 38.184. Okay? Magkano? 38. 38 point, pangit. Ito. 38 0.184. Ilan yung unit? Kilonewton meter. Since positive siya, nag-assume tayo na positive going clockwise. So, magiging positive, clockwise siya. Positive. Okay? Goods.